just bought this Apple Watch Series 4 and we're going to unbox it. This is the silver aluminum Seychelles Sport Loop GPS. So open these pull tabs. And you have this colorful presentation of all the possible configurations and mixes you can have. Then you have two boxes, two compartments. This is the Seychelles Sport Band, and this is the Apple Watch. So first, look at the Seychelles Sport Band. Sport Loop, sorry. This is 44 millimeters. Apple Watch, and then it just tells you how to put it on. Here it is. Now for the Apple Watch. You have a silver, kind of like raised edge here. So paperwork. This kind of resembles an iPhone 10 notch. Let's see. So just some instructions and some regulatory information. So then you have a 5-watt power adapter, a Apple magnetic charging puck for Apple Watch, and the Apple Watch is in this little sleeve case. It's made of like this cloth, like an Alcantara that you find in high-end cars. Here it is. The other option that I was considering was the Nike Plus edition, but I decided not to go Nike because I have Ultra Boost and it would not be a good mix and match. So this is a 44 millimeter and it is OLED. I'm gonna have to read how to put this on. We're going to pair it with this iPhone 6s. It's on 12.1 right now. I wish I could do a 10s Max, but I'm gonna upgrade to the 2019, whoa, that's fast, 2019 iPhone very soon. Next year, we're gonna upgrade. Boom. Oh wow, I have to create a long passcode. Just tells you how to use it. Pretty cool. Not quite sure how to... I did order a Milanese loop, 42 millimeters, for $43 on eBay. So that will arrive in about a week. Very comfortable, very lightweight.